Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf and I managed to get hold of the blue Razz Furby Vibes. This one came from the UK Amazon. They said they were going to send it out by July 6th and that's what they did. So that's nice because for once they actually did what they said they were going to do. Usually they say this and then it gets delayed and delayed and delayed and you don't get it, so I'm happy that it did actually get shipped. This one did not come with a shipping label just slapped onto it. It came in a bag, one of the brown Amazon bags, and so the packaging looks much nicer than the Roseberries packaging, which I do use in a future video where I compare the packaging. But if you're watching this and then you're going to watch that one, I didn't have this packaging when I made that video. I'm quite ahead with videos at the moment because I've got loads of content to do. So yeah, so that's why. So if anyone says, oh, why didn't you use this one? And why did you try to peel off the shipping label and use the other one? It's because, yeah, I just didn't have this one when I did the video. Anyway, let's get on with it. So we've got the, it's the blue Razz Furby Vibes. Not that the name is written on the box anywhere. It's got 3 interactive glasses. And you can see pictures of it at the top there with its glasses on. You've got cucumber glasses for the relaxation mode. Star Diva is the star glasses and the punk rocker is the punk glasses. I feel kind of rushed doing this video today because I've got a lot to get to. We're going off to the zoo with our friend and his daughter tomorrow. And I'm trying to get it all done on a Saturday instead of a Sunday. So yeah, I feel a bit rushed. Anyway, so we've got Chill Spa, Punk Rocker and Star Diva on the side. On the back, it says glasses unlock 3 different modes. Teaches you Furbish. Then you've got Star Diva, sweet and stylish with freeze dance game. Chill Spa, relax with Zen time game. Punk Rocker, sassy bestie with punk band game. And Style Furby with 7 fashion accessories. And it shows you the accessories there. You've got the glasses, you've got a couple of hair clips, a comb and a little sort of hairband thing that you can tie your Furby's hair up with. And then long bendy hair to style and belly lights. So that pretty much tells you everything that it does. I do have scissors with me today. When I unboxed the other one I didn't, so I can actually just cut the tape on the top here and open the box and pull Furby out. I'm doing a proper unboxing of this just in case you didn't see the other one, or you want to watch it again, because it's just nice to do it more than once, I suppose. People will be interested. So what we've got in the box is we've got Furby with the glasses. Furby is actually wearing one pair of glasses, the Star Diva, and has like a little music note sort of clip in the hair. It is in the box mode with its ears right up in the air. We saw this in the test mode. When I put Furby into test mode, it does return to this mode at the end of test mode. So I'm guessing they run it through the tests and then get it ready to go in its packaging and make sure it all works. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Make sure everything is fine with it. In this little paper bag, we have a few more accessories. We've got a little hairband. And I think a couple of hair clips. Oh no, we've got the comb there. The usual Furby comb with a little Furby on it. I think these are all different colours to the ones that came with the Roseberry one. And a little sort of bow that's kind of shaped like bat wings. I do actually have the other one next to me. Yes, the music note's pink on the other one. Okay. We've got our usual instructions. Probably not needed. This one probably is needed though because it tells you how to use it. I think the instructions I got with the other one were a little bit different. Because the other one came from America, this one came from the UK, so it's, I guess, European versus America. And I'm pretty sure that the instruction booklet that came with the other one was a bit different. Oh well. So I do have the scissors this time, so I can unclip all of these. Let's take that out from there. It's all pretty easy. Much easier with scissors. I don't know why I didn't have scissors in the last video. They've used plastic, sort of elastic band things, and then they've used this paper stuff for Furby. Then oh, Furby's screwed into the box. Was Furby screwed into the box last time? I don't really remember. I only did the other video a couple of weeks ago, but Furby is screwed in the box. So I've got to get a screwdriver and I need to put batteries in. Okay, so we've got our batteries. Pop these in here. And don't forget to put the bottom one in first. Let's grab the others and pop them in. I wasn't going to have this part on camera, but Furby might also wake up. Like that. I went to grab the scissors instead of the screwdriver. So I'll just screw these up. Screws are quite long actually. It took quite a bit to get it out of the packaging. I had to really unscrew them for quite a while. There we go. So, our Furby is alive. I can only imagine the amount of kids who are going to be really confused when they start to Furby up. I've also noticed that Furby's got something holding the glasses on. So just get that off. Take these glasses off. If I can get them off. Not clipped on somewhere else, is it? There we go. Where else is it clipped on? Oh, here. They really didn't want you to take these glasses off, Furby, did they? There we go. There. Sing a song. Okay, so Furby has a button for its beak. You're not going to eat anything? Interesting. So while it's in like the dance mode or the Star Diva mode, it didn't seem to want to eat. So let's try out the different glasses. I'm not going to run through all of the things because I did that in my first video about Furby. It's not going in the other side. I have to say it's kind of difficult to like clip the glasses in. Let's try this. So that's what it said to say in the batteries. Oh, batteries, what am I talking about? Instructions. I'm going to lift it over here. It's far easier to do it in front of me. So I can't get these glasses to clip in on the left side. No, don't go to sleep. Yeah, they will not clip in. Oh, there we go. That was a real struggle. So this is the Star Diva mode, which I think we had it in before. So if you press this one, you can play a mini game, and if you press this one, it sings a song. And you can see the personalities change to be like a pop star. So we'll do a song. So basically what you do is you take the glasses off. And when you put a new pair of glasses on, it changes the personality. This is a punk rocker. It's not saying it in English. With the other one, when I put the glasses on, it says it in English. Punk rocker! And it's not. And it didn't do it for Star Diva either. And it's definitely a punk rocker personality. It's interesting how this one's a bit different to the other one. Yeah, that is weird. Because people were saying, oh, it does speak English. Well, yeah, it says the different modes in English. But this one actually doesn't seem to. Yeah, it would say chill spa. That is weird. So it's not speaking any English at all, this one, whereas the other one I have, which is this one, it does say English things. That is bizarre. Because, yeah, people were saying, oh, it doesn't speak any English. And I was saying, well, yes, it does. It tells you the modes. But this one doesn't. It doesn't speak any English whatsoever. I might put it into test mode at some point to see if it's even got the English dialogue. So, I was talking about the instructions earlier. This is from the American version of the Furby Vibes. This is from the UK version of the Furby Vibes. It is huge, probably because it's in a million different languages. I'll just open the whole thing out for you guys. It's absolutely mad. I've never seen a Furby instruction manual that's this big. I mean, seriously, all the other ones come with little things like this. But yeah, the European version has this massive instruction manual because of all the different languages. So that's the blue Razz Furby Vibes. I will actually do, because I'm going to compare these two, I will do a comparison with their dialogue as well in the next video, because I think it'll be interesting to see that one of them does speak English, but this one does not. Yeah, if you want to see more of the Furby Vibes, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip on Ko-fi or YouTube Super Thanks. Link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.